Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk to you on the topic, is this the right time to enter markets? A lot of investors have been watching on the sidelines, waiting for the markets to fall significantly so that they can enter. There are also a wide section of investors who want to put in more money into equities. The lack of avenues, the unattractiveness of debt, the expensive nature of real estate investments have all made people think of equity as a more preferred option. But everybody wants to get that perfect entry into equities. We want to get in when valuations are completely in our favor. Anyone who has been long enough in the market knows that moment can probably happen once or twice in several years. We got that moment in 2020 when the first wave of COVID struck the whole world. But is it realistic to wait to get a similar moment? What if you don't get it at all? Because most people who wait endlessly for the perfect moment to enter markets end up missing out completely. Now that is something every one of us needs to avoid. Now I'm going to lean on my own experience in investing. I've never tried to catch the perfect moment. Instead, I've always invested steadily and built my portfolio of stocks layer by layer. It is exactly this approach which I do when I perform the role of an advisor or a manager, because I know that I can never wait and catch a perfect moment, but when that moment presents itself, when valuations are completely in my favor, I want to invest a little more money. Assume that my portfolio is 100 rupees. If I invested even 10 to 20 rupees when the markets fall a lot and present that perfect moment, that 10 to 20 rupees is enough to make my whole portfolio perform significantly better when markets recover subsequently. So I don't worry about catching that perfect moment. Instead, I invest steadily and gradually. I take advantage of every correction. I buy stocks in companies when I feel the valuation is right. I don't worry about where the broader market is. I focus on the individual investments in companies. And when I find that the broader market has fallen and valuations of the companies that I like to buy are also very attractive, I try to put between 10 and 20% of my portfolio in. So that's when I go all in. I don't wait endlessly, nor do I sit and pray for that miraculous perfect moment, which I've seen a lot of people wait and completely miss. I don't want to miss out on investing. At the same time, I want to participate when the markets really fall a lot, which means all I need to do is keep that 10 to 20% money aside for me to invest when opportunity is at its best. That is what every one of us needs to do. We need not catch the perfect moment to begin, but we can capitalize on that moment when it presents itself before us. That's essentially what I would advise you to do, and that's what works in a market where we see a lot of volatility and nothing is predictable. Thank you very much.